Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be adjusting the valves on the 22RE. Best time to do it is when it's hot, so we got it all warmed up. So go ahead and pop that valve cover off. We're going to start on the exhaust side, so you're going to loosen that up. You usually take a flathead right here to adjust the valve itself, and on the exhaust they're going to be 12 thousandths. Okay, go ahead and turn it over to where the lobe on the cam itself is down to be able to adjust the rocker arm.
Push down on the thing and make sure the sides zoom out.
On the rocker arm. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to move on to the intake side, and that is supposed to be at 8 thousandths. You do the same thing, and you see this lobe right here. You want to make sure you're all the way facing down. Okay, once you get those adjusted, go ahead and put that valve cover and everything back into place. That's how you adjust the valves on the 22RE. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next videos.